Scott Bentley here from Premier Mortgage Center in Halifax, Nova Scotia. I just want to take a few moments to chat about our friends at Newton Velocity and let them know how pleased we are with our transition. I'm a very procedural person, and change is very hard for me. I get used to our process and procedures. Team at Newton Velocity made this transition so easy. Before, we were using multiple systems, one on the front end and one on the back end for submission and document preparation. Now everything's in one spot. We've got a great dashboard, so as a team lead, I get to see the progress of everything, all the files from start to finish. We really like the one-touch reports and the CRM aspects that are built into the system as well. Makes it very easy for us to keep tabs on all upcoming renewals. So, job well done. And just wanted to say, initially the hook for us was the classic view that they have built into the system. It looks very similar to another system that a lot of us are used to. But once we got into the system, we found that the modern view and the ability to customize that screen made all the difference in the world. Very efficient as we go through the application with our clients. So great job. They've been so helpful, and look forward to a long and prosperous working relationship with them.